Understanding losing trust in relationships. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important concept: losing trust. Trust is the foundation of all relationships, and understanding what it means to lose it is crucial in both our personal and professional lives. Let's dive in and understand this phrase together. Before we talk about losing trust, let's define what trust means. Trust is the belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. It's a feeling of confidence and security. In relationships, trust is believing that the other person will do what is expected and will act in the best interest of the relationship. Losing trust is a phrase that describes the process of starting to doubt someone's reliability and honesty. It happens when actions or words contradict the confidence that was placed in someone. This could be due to lies, broken promises, or inconsistent behavior. Losing trust can lead to feelings of uncertainty, betrayal, and vulnerability. How can you tell if trust is being lost? Here are a few signs. Doubt. You start questioning the other person's actions or decisions. Worry. You feel anxious about relying on them. Checkups. You might feel the need to verify if they are telling the truth. Distance. You may start to emotionally or physically distance yourself from them. Is it possible to rebuild trust? Yes, but it's not easy. Rebuilding trust requires communication. Openly discuss the issues and feelings involved. Consistency. Demonstrate reliability through consistent actions over time. Patience. Understand that regaining trust takes time and cannot be rushed. Forgiveness. Be willing to forgive and move past the issue. Losing trust can be a challenging experience, but it's an important concept to grasp when learning English and in life. Remember, trust is like a paper. Once it's crumpled, it can't be perfect again. However, with effort, it can still be used and valued. I hope this video helps you understand the nuances of trust in the English language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.